Dear students, in this session we are going to study the packing in crystals. How the atoms are packed in crystals. So, packing in crystal. Usually, in crystals, atoms are packed in three-dimensional manner that we may be knowing very well. Before we go into three-dimensional packing, let us start with single dimension, that is linear arrangement of packing. Linear arrangement is nothing but placing atom one after the other in a single direction. That is said to be linear arrangement of packing. When the spheres are arranged in a linear manner, it goes in a single direction and each atom is surrounded by, if I consider this atom, it is surrounded by two atoms. So, for linear arrangement of spheres in single dimension, the coordination number may be considered as 2. Coordination number is just 2 for linear arrangement of spheres in one direction. Coordination number 2. Suppose if it is a two-dimensional arrangement. So, two-dimensional arrangement of spheres. In two-dimensional arrangement, the arrangement may be in two different ways. One arrangement we say A type of arrangement. Here the atoms are arranged one after the other. If we extend horizontally and vertically, each sphere is touching over the other. This we call two-dimensional arrangement. Suppose if I consider this atom, this particular atom for our consideration, it is directly touching with 1, 2, 3, 4 atoms. And if I join the center of these spheres, I will be getting a square. Therefore, it is said to be square close packing. Square close packing. In two-dimensional arrangement of spheres, in AA type, the coordination number is said to be 4 and it is said to be square close packing. On the other hand, if we go in for AB type of packing, in two dimension, AB type of packing, here will be like this. In the first line, the spheres are touching one after the other continuously, as we have seen in linear packing in single dimension. The next layer, in the next layer, it is not placed over this. Instead, it fills the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, it goes. Next layer, like this. Likewise. If I consider this as the atom for our consideration, it is directly in contact with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spheres, showing that coordination number is 6. And if I connect the squares, it gives hexagonal arrangement. Therefore, it is said to be hexagonal close packing. So, in a linear manner, when atoms are added in a single direction, it gives coordination number 2. In two-dimensional close packing, we have got two types, AA type and AB type. In AA type, coordination number of the atom is said to be 4 and it it forms a square close packing. In ABAB type, first line goes as a atoms are placed one after the other continuously. Second layer, this one we call B type because it is not placed exactly over the other, it fills the gap. B type, A type, again we will be getting P type. This is said to be ABAB type. The coordination number, since it is in direct contact with 6 other spheres on the same plane, its coordination number 6 and it is hexagonal close packing. If we go in for 3-dimensional arrangement, 3-dimensional close packing, packing in 3 dimension. Now, single dimension I can show like this. Packing in single dimension I can show like this. It is single dimension. If I consider this particular atom, it is directly bonded with 2, therefore coordination number 2. It is 2-dimensional close packing of AA type, where the sphere is placed one after the other continuously. If I consider a particular sphere, it is directly touching 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I join, I will be getting a square, therefore square close packing. In ABAB type, first layer goes continuously, it fills the gap. Second layer, third layer fills the gap. Fourth layer. A type, B type, A type, B type, A type, likewise it goes. If I consider an atom here, it is directly bonded with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 spheres. Therefore, coordination number 6. If I connect these spheres, I will be getting a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Therefore, hexagon I will be getting. So, it is said to be hexagonal close packing. It is square close packing. AA type, coordination number 4, square close packing. ABAB type, coordination number 6, it is hexagonal close packing. Now, let us go into 3-dimensional arrangement of spheres. The 3-dimensional arrangement may be for simple cubic close packing, and then we can go in for body centered cubic close packing, and we will be going in for face centered cubic close packing. In simple close packing and body centered close packing, we use this type of arrangement as the first layer. In these two, AA type of arrangement forms the first layer. Type of arrangement forms the first layer. In FCC, AB type of arrangement forms the first layer. This difference you should note. Only for that we have seen 2-dimensional arrangement. Here in simple cubic as well as body centered cubic, first layer is only like this, AB arrangement only, AA arrangement only. But in FCC, we have AB type arrangement as the first layer. First layer, let it be A layer, whatever it may be. The first layer in these two types, AA type, that is square close packing, here hexagonal close packing. So, in these two, square close packing in 2 dimension. Here, in FCC, hexagonal close packing. All right. Now, let us go into simple cubic arrangement. Let me rub the 2-dimensional arrangement of spheres. In the simple cubic, we have AA type of arrangement, and therefore, let me draw the AA type of arrangement. First layer is AA type only. What about second layer? Second layer is also placed one over the other. The arrangement goes like this. How? Exactly above this. Exactly above this. And again, next one will also be placed just above this. Likewise it goes. This is said to be simple cubic close packing in 3 dimension. Here, if we look at the coordination number for simple cubic, it will be 6. Why? If I consider this particular atom, say a particular atom here, if it is here, it directly touches 1 at this side, 2 here, 3 here. For this particular atom, 1 this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that is below, 6 that is above. So, coordination number for simple cubic is 6. How? This is the atom for our consideration. Let me say, this is the atom for my consideration. It is above this I have placed 1 below, 1 above, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, coordination number for simple cubic arrangement is found to be 6. Coordination number is found to be 6 for simple cubic arrangement. All right. Now, in body centered cubic arrangement, again we are going in for AA type, this type, above which the atom is placed here, at the gap we are filling. And the next layer again comes above A, above A, above A, above A, above A. So, first layer is AA, second layer is also AA for simple cubic, and for BCC we say it is AB type. But first layer is AA type, second layer is filling the gap. Therefore, we call it as AB type in 3 dimension. In 3 dimension, if we go in, we will be saying this is A type, where the atoms are arranged one after the other continuously. B type atoms will be filling the gap. It is B. It is filling the gap, it is said to be B. And what about next layer, third layer? Third layer again repetition of first layer. Repetition of first layer. First layer atom is in this gap above this. So, just exactly above the first layer, the atom is placed. Exactly above the first layer, we are placing the atoms. Therefore, again I am using the red colored ball, showing that exactly above red ball it is placed. So, here it will come like this, here it will come like this. So, exactly above the red it comes. It is said to be body centered cubic arrangement. What about the coordination number for this? If I consider, say, this particular atom, one atom I can consider. If I consider this atom, it is surrounded by 4 atoms in its previous layer, and the 4 atoms above this layer. So, totally the coordination number for body centered, as we have seen in a body centered cubic lattice, it is said to be 8. Coordination number for body centered cubic is 8. 4 atoms below the plane, 4 atoms above the plane, and therefore, the coordination number will be 8 for AB type in BCC, body centered cubic unit cell. If we go in for FCC, we can have 2 types of arrangement. As I said, this is the first layer. Don't confuse the first layer with the AB type here. This AB it is first layer, second layer, first layer, second layer, first layer, second layer, first layer, second layer. But when we go in for FCC, the first layer itself is AB arrangement. What do you mean by first layer itself being AB arrangement? In simple cubic and body-centered cubic, atoms are continuously placed in the first layer, both horizontally as well as vertically. And second layer, if it falls just above, we call it as simple cube. If it falls in between, we call it as body-centered. So this type we call AB. In the case of FCC, always first layer will be of AB type. Always first layer. Two dimensional, if you look at it, first layer is like this. First layer fills the gap. So that is AB type first layer. So let us forget about this AB now, first layer. First layer is always of this type in the case of FCC. Always this type, not this type. In simple cubic and body-centered cubic, first layer is of this type. Do you understand? Here all the atoms are arranged horizontally and vertically. In simple cubic and body-centered cubic, if they are arranged above simple cubic, if filled in between body-centered cube. But in the case of face-centered cubic unit cell, the arrangement is like this. First line, second line is not just above this. It is filling the gap. It is at the gap. All right. This arrangement is always in FCC. First layer will be like this. Second layer may be B, always B. So it fills the gap like this. We call the void as tetrahedral void. Why do we call tetrahedral? 3 and then 4. If I connect the centers, it forms a tetrahedron. So the gap formed between 3 plus 1, 4 atoms, is said to be a tetrahedral void. It is being filled by these 4 atoms, tetrahedral void. All right. And the number of tetrahedral voids formed is equal to twice the number of atoms. So this will fill like this. This is AB. Next layer again, the atom will be filled above. If it is filled just above, now, if the atoms are placed just exactly above the red ball, exactly above red, if I place like this, it is said to be AB type. It is said to be AB type. How? Let me explain. Here the ball is filling the tetrahedral void. Now if I place a red ball here, it falls just above the red ball, just exactly above. So this is repetition of first layer. That repetition of first layer we call AB type. A layer, B layer, again A layer. It is exactly similar to the A layer, the red balls again I have used. If I use B layer, I should use exactly above this place, exactly above the blue ball. This type of arrangement is said to be AB type. It is said to be hexagonal close packing. In FCC, we have got two types of close packing. Hexagonal close packing, where the atoms are arranged as AB, AB, AB. First layer like this, not like this. Second layer different, filling the gap, tetrahedral void is being filled. And the A, again it comes A, red layer. See, above the red, same way. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise, atoms are arranged. If I can place the third layer just exactly above this, second layer may be here. If I can able to place the third layer exactly over the first layer, above these 5 balls, if again 5 balls occupy in the third layer, we call it as AB type. That is said to be hexagonal close packing. All right. In the hexagonal close packing, what about the coordination number? The coordination number is 12. How? If I look at this layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 will be on the same plane, because the basis is hexagonal close packing. Here also we call it as hexagonal close packing. So 6 on the same plane, 6 on the same plane. 3 above, 1, 2, 3, and 3 will be below. So totally coordination number will be 12 for this arrangement. And here we have seen tetrahedral void. It is formed by 3 atoms at the bottom and 1 atom above. This is said to be the gap between these two. This 4 is said to be tetrahedral void. On the other hand, if we go in for the next type, what is it? Cubic close packing, CCP, cubic close packing. In CCP, the arrangement is little bit different. When I remove and rearrange, you can understand well.